sketch is not proper, your artwork will not turn out what we are referring to as a reference artwork. Okay, it should not be 100% same as per our reference artwork, but once you do your artwork, the artwork should be yours and everyone should appreciate it. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now this is called as a still life. And secondly, I have taken it purposely. One is for having a glass effect. In this, there are three concepts, three principles of design. One is the glass effect. Second is the isolation effect. If you see, all other is dark. That is, brown is there, black is there. Though the trees are there, but they are also colored with a black or brown shade. Only one color shade is there, and that is of the light. Don't go on book also the light is fall on it, so that's why, or we would have made it brown there. But the main concept is, so this concept, that is, everything is black, and to concentrate, don't go on this. This is, I have made it, there was some name, person's name written on it. I've deleted it, and then this has come. So there is nothing, it's behind the windows are the trees. So the second concept is the isolation. So two concepts are done. One is glass effect, second is the isolation concept, and third one is the creativity. Now, can anybody tell me the creativity? As we are done for the cup, I just want to know everyone's idea. What is the creative in this? Kushi, this time might be, you can tell your idea also. It's not like that nobody. What do you feel? What is the creativity is when you see any artwork? What do you feel of that artwork? What do you feel? What comes in your mind? What do you see? Yeah, there is a lantern and there is a window, and it's a dark because you can see the moon and all the trees are dark. But what does that comes? What does, it can be a different movements comes in your mind. So faster, so that we'll be able to, sketching is very nice. In this, coloring is a little bit tough. Okay, sketching is easy because this pattern, it is not that we will have to have the same type of lantern. If your shape changes, no problem, no issue, but both the sides should be same. That's why. Fast, can everyone tell me one time? Yeah, good evening. Yes, yes. Parth, tell me, what do you feel after seeing the artwork?
I feel like from this image, it shows how lamp is like the main object as everything is dark, but in the middle, the lamp is very bright, so it makes us focus on the main lamp image.
Okay, very good. Means if there is, okay, no problem. Okay, so Dhruvi? Yes?
It makes me think of that the air is raining and it's a dust, and like it's a different type of vibe.
Very good. It can be like that. You can, raining is there. True, it's your observation. Very nice. Very good. This is the observation you'll have to do. It's raining outside, and that is why it is dark. Though the moon is there, it's a raining outside. The concept is, though creativity, when I say, you'll have to have the observation. What? It's raining outside. So you can load lot of concepts in it. Secondly, it is dark. The light gives the brightness in this area. It makes bright on this area. Simultaneously, because of this light, we are able to see the behind what is there. That is also there. Yes. Anyone? Any other? This? One more, means one or two. If you get. Yes, sure.
Ma'am, when I look at this artwork, I see the trees. They are of a different design, and I've never seen trees like this before. And when we look at the lamp, you see how many effects are there. So coloring can be tough.
Okay. Yes. Okay. If I go in my way of saying, I'll just tell. But mine is totally, is that let the movement be dark. It can be enlightened with a single light. The light can be spread, that is, you in your dark period or in your darkness, you can enlight with a single small light which will make way for you. Clear? That is from my way of thinking. When I'll see this artwork, I will think in that way. A single light has thrown all over us, but very good. That is how you look at the artwork that comes with the creativity. Once you start studying the artwork, you yourself will be able to learn the reference artwork and think of your own introducing some creativity in that. Clear? Okay, we'll start now. No measurement. Measurement is not there. The principle of the light, that is, the lantern is the center vertical division. That is, this lantern is always divided into the center line. Both the sides are same. Again, I am repeating. I don't know whether we have done lantern. No, in 7 other class I have done, but a little bit tough this. But in this, the shape counts is that whatever you draw on left side or on right side, one side we are going to draw first. So whatever you are going to draw on the other one side, same you will have to copy on the other side with the same measurement, with the same shape, with the same design. Clear to everyone? It is not that you have to copy the same which is there. I'm going to just show how to sketch this, but by mistake if your shape goes something different, so whatever shape you'll have to have both sides the same shape. Clear? I'll take a red pencil so that this division what I have done will be clear to everyone. Khushi, if anything is there, you're going to ask. Any doubt is there, you're going to ask. If you feel anything like telling, you can just tell them. Once. So, now everyone will be able to see the line. Is it visible? This is the line. The center line I have made. I'll just bring it in. Okay? So same, we are going to do it. It is on this side. If I divide, just for the sake of dividing, it is the lantern is on this side. So if this is my half, 1B. If this is my half page, if I divide my page, all whole my main element in this artwork, yeah, always when you go, the main element has to be taken into consider. So in this, the main element is lantern. Then all elements are one after the other are there. But what more you will do is, more beautiful you are going to try to make, that is the lantern. Okay? So that is on the this side half, and we'll just make one line. A standing line. Okay, now the lantern is kept on a table, so I'm just marking. I can see up to this much.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what is like the distance of like from where the line is made?
Just general, I've made it like that. If you see, it is at least 4 fingers or little bit less or like that. I've taken my 4 fingers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, just the lantern is kept on the table. The table size, I've just measured it with the help of my pencil. Roughly it is. I've marked it here and made a line. So it will help us to make the window also, and it will help us to give the look for the table also. So here the window starts from this line.
What is the benefit of that line?
No, roughly I've taken. Wait, it has not come. Just hold on. My line is
Ma'am, what to do? I just join.
nothing. Draw this line and this line.
Okay.
Now, if this is our table, definitely the lantern is kept on the table. So you can take one sleeping line at a distance, say half of it, this is the distance of the table. So I'm just making one line at a half distance, sleeping line. Okay, now what I'm going to do, the blocks I'll just show you what blocks I'm going to consider. First is this rectangle I'm going to consider, then I'll shape it up to here. Inside is a shape. So first is this rectangle and second is this rectangle. Using this two rectangle, I'll shape it, the lantern, and the top one is a shape that relates with this rectangle. The relation of this rectangle and this top opening of the glass is with this. It will be always, this opening will be always less than this one, because the down opening, if you have seen this such type of lantern, the down glass opening is big as compared to the top one. Okay, so definitely this shape. First we'll draw this rectangle. So around, I don't know exactly, it is I think 2.5, total is 5 centimeter. So with the center, if I take it, with the center, I just take a measurement with the help of my pencil. I want total 5 centimeter on both the side. I'm doing it with the pencil, both the side. I mark the point. Okay, it's not square. How? I'll just show you. Now this is my total length of the lantern base. If I keep that same here on the line where I've made the block, I'm using my block, means whatever block. So this much more space is there. So this is a rectangle. If this is your length of the base, then go up and just mark one point and come below it. That will be the height of your rectangle. Just draw one rectangle. Khushi, are you able to make it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
When I make the rectangle, should I make it below this line or on top of it?
On top of the window. Little bit above the window line, whatever we have made.
Isn't the rectangle over here?
Huh?
Isn't it over here and the window is here?
Window is this side. We are going to draw the window. This is the base.
No, not here. Ma'am, can I take 5.4 centimeters?
No, I can't tell any centimeter. I'm drawing like this. No centimeter. We are not going to consider any centimeter. Generally, I'm saying this is more than this. Just make a line. Just give a shape. Inside, if I come here by this much space, I'm just going to take the same measurement and I'm going to drop it on this side and making one small, as I said, the shape is, I'm going to fit or whatever is there inside this shape. So if this is the height, I've taken it roughly, yeah, it is coming to see. Can as the picture is dark, I'll keep the image
Ma'am, what is the center line that you made?
this one. It's roughly I've done.
The sleeping one. And the
Sleeping line, this one,
no, above it.
this one.
The one which between of this.
Here,
Yes.
roughly I've taken the measurement from this and divided it to make the line. This much I've taken and just made it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll shape it now. First we'll shape so I can see. I'll just erase this. There is
Ma'am, where's the middle line?
this one,
Ma'am, but it's not the middle line, right?
middle of the line. Okay, yeah. It is a oval on the top. Just I'm making a oval shape. Okay, then it has a cup shape like this. It is coming down. Yes.
And how much centimeters is that line?
No idea. I have not taken the measurement.
Means the point of that line to the edge of the paper.
No idea. I've taken with the 4 fingers measurement. I've not taken any of the measurement today. Okay. Now I can see it is this shape. Just come down and I'm going to take the same shape on this side. I've taken here, same shape, I'll go. So what I'll do, there is a way, just make a line where you're, okay, on that line, take a measurement from your center line and plot a point on that line. So it is here. So you'll be able to make that
Ma'am,
curve
take the
at this
lantern
point.
yet.
Yes,
Ma'am, I didn't make the lantern yet.
make it. Na? Same, I have plotted the point on the straight line and just clear how I made this. Ishani, open your video. Clear to everyone. Sanskriti, when you are going to submit your lip drawing, are you going to submit artwork?
Ma'am, how have you drawn like the
Ma'am,
side
send
shape?
it to you.
Yes, Parth. One
How have you
second.
drawn the side shape?
Which one? This one?
Yes.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay, I've dropped, see, wherever the curve comes, I've dropped, you can drop 3-4 lines, straight lines, sleeping lines. And from your, this center line, this is a center line, just take the measurement. It doesn't count that it should be perfectly the same, but at least you have the position so that you can give a shape very nicely to the artwork. Yeah, got it?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank-
There is a curve here, so I'm giving a curve. Double line is there. Then here also. Down, little bit curve. Now, on top of this is a small triangle. What is the meaning of triangle? That is, the shape is becoming.
Mama,
It is?
can you wait for 1 minute?
Yeah.
I'm not done yet. Mama, I'm not done with the shape. I'm just have done this much. So I don't know what to do because
Because you joined late 15 minutes. What I'll do?
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes. Very good, Eli. Very good, Grizzly. Yes, everyone show me. Very good, Sanskriti. Yes, Kushi, show me. Shivani, very good. Kushi, hold it up.
Ma'am,
Kushi, this is small. The inside part, the inside rectangle is not touching the outer. At least it is inside by small pinky finger. Yeah, it is okay, Sanskriti. Yes, Parth?
When we finish making the shape, do we rub out the inside lines?
You can. This line is not required. After we do the triangle, then rub the top. Yes, Ishani, hold it straight. Yes. Bring it a little bit. Ishani, give the curve. Can you see? It has a curve. Little bit curve. Don't make it square or that. Okay? Both this side. Yeah, it is circular
Ma'am,
shape.
can I
That's
show
why.
you?
Yes.
Can I show you?
Yes. Show me. 1 minute, Pragati. Yes. Trishang, this is too small. Can you see? This is my whole page. Can you see where the lantern is? Lantern is going to be a main part of my artwork. So it should be big. Yours lantern has come so much small. So it will be this much only.
Okay.
You'll have to make it proportion. Just see.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, Pragati. Sure. Very good, Pragati. Yes, Dhruvi, show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhruvi, you have made it in the center.
No, ma'am.
The lantern is in the center, Dhruvi.
Was it supposed to be on this line?
Yeah, this line.
Oh, I'll make it again.
Yes, Vedika, show me. Very good. Vedika, it has come little bit down. The space is less, it's okay. Just give a circular shape as if any circular thing has been kept on the table, so it will have a oval shape or circular shape. Okay, got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Trislin, show me yours. Very good, Trislin. Done. Arish, done.
Just 1 minute.
Now, on top of this, yes. Yes, Parth. Yeah, it is okay. Now, on top of this, just first is a triangle going. So, behind shape, curve shape, we don't want. It is as if it is being joined with a triangle on the lace.
Ma'am, now can I show you?
Yes. 1 second, Krishna. So I have made this triangle, and to give the triangular effect, I have just made a oval joining this top one. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see your picture properly because it's coming little bit of blurry.
Now, yes, everyone, is there a blur? Picture is blur?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sanskriti just moves your this net problem must be there. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Very small. The burner will be on the top, but before that, the shape. And a small curve to give the opening burner means where the flame will come. The glass is resting on this area here. Here I can see when I enlarge it, I can see the burner key is there this side. I'll just make first the key so that we will be able to make the glass. It's a plain key like this and an oval on. Where exactly is the position? The first small burner we made, from where the twig is coming out, on top of that there is a key. And this key will come out from here also. There is a metal. If you see the lantern, there is always a metal part which holds from this side.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that I still don't understand. That is the square, like bending, overlapping that edge.
Yes, overlapping. It's overlapping. Everything is overlapping. So the glass starts from this key. The glass opening, as I said, from down, this is the opening, this much, which will be bigger than the burner inside. It is going to rest on the key, this key, both the side. So what you are going to do, from center, how much space you're going to take here, just mark, take that same point and mark on your key, both sides. Now, up to here, where the burner is there, the glass is straight from down. And after that, the shape starts. That is, this is the straight line. And as I said, definitely if you see any of the lantern, glass lantern right now, nowadays we also light diyas in our God's place. We have a glass kept on that small diyas so that it burns properly and the flame doesn't come. So that also diya is in center, so the lantern will be in the center and glass will be covering. So the air, anything, wind should not blow it off, and for the shape also. So first, definitely the top part will be at least equal to the top opening will be equal to the size of the burner or little bit small to it. So what you're going to do, just take the same measurement and make a top line and take a measurement on both the sides so that your glass will not go inside it or it will not go outside that. You can take little bit inside but not broader to it. It can be little bit thin. Okay, now to shape it's like how shape, just go nowhere there will be edges. I just make little bit thin so that it looks long. If you make the top one little bit thin, it will look so. First one side I'm drawing. Little bit circular shape I'm giving. From the center line, I'll take a measurement from other side. It is coming here. Now, if I want to draw the same shape this side, again same thing I'll do. I just make the straight line. Wherever the curve is there, 3-4 straight lines. And I'll drop the measurement from my center line on this straight line. The shape, both the sides should be same. You can make any shape, no problem. Only thing you are going to give the glass effect. And the shape should be same both sides. You're not going to erase your center line so that I'll be able to see that whether it is perfect or not. Okay, I've made 4-5 points now. I'll give the shape. Shivani, this top has come very wide. You want that shape?
Mom, I'll make it thin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Trisling. Very good, Trisling. Very good, Ida.
Ma'am, my connection had gone, so can you tell how to make it?
Up to where you have drawn, just show me. Then I'll tell you what to do. Okay. On this key, just take a point on both the sides, same distance from the center, little bit outside the burner.
Okay.
And on the top, take a small this same size or little bit inside it so that it becomes a narrow one.
How much?
No, I think this is 3 centimeters, so this I have taken total 2 centimeters, like that it is. If this is 4, then this can be 3.
Okay.
Yeah. And first you are going to draw this side. That is one side, not this side. You can draw this side also. And plot 4-5 lines, straight lines. Take the measurement and just plot the same points and try to draw the same shape. It comes very easily. You will be able to draw the shape. Second side. Yes, show me. Kushi, Sanskriti.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you see?
Yes, 1 second, Vedika. Just hold on. Yes, Sanskriti, show me.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. Yes, Vedika, show. Vedika, this shape, at least retain this shape or this shape. This shape is like this and this is going outside. So make one shape. Iraira, I saw yours. It's okay.
Ma'am, is this better?
Yeah. Yeah, that is better. Means if you're giving a curve here, here also it should be a curve. I'm not saying perfect, but the curve should be there. If you make it here this way and here the inner curve, then it will not look good. That's why I said change it.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Very good, Shivani. Shivani, you can increase this. Okay, it is okay. Just give a little bit outer curve and join it there. Means give this shape like this. You can make this tapering, no problem.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
give this way. Don't go like a glass.
Okay, ma'am.
What you have given this shape na is a glass handle shape. Just go.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I show you?
Yes. Yes, go on. Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, show me. Shivani, it is okay. Yes. Pragati, it is okay. Sanskriti. Sanskriti, it is okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes, show me. I'm not able to see the top. Yeah, Parth, it is okay. Done, everyone. This
Ma'am?
time, show me.
Ma'am, it is okay.
Bring it near. I'm not able to see it. No. See the proportion. If the burner is this, one more thing. Everyone just see. If your burner is this, your glass will not more than 1.5 times it. Just check it out. If your burner is of this side, glass can be 1.5 times more than it, maximum 2 times. It can't be the burner is so small and glass will be too big. It will not be able to hold it. That proportion should be there.
Ma'am, my burner is too small.
Yes, too small. Your this glass is too big. Your glass is coming from where my burner has started up to here. Your burner is only this much size. It will not balance the glass. For balancing purpose, though the glass doesn't have any weight, but something
Ma'am,
designed
now
should
it is
be
okay.
there, na? No, Kaya. It is wrong, completely wrong. See the size. Do one thing. What is this size? I don't know. What is your this size? Go by 1 and 5 times. Means this is 8. Then go by 12 centimeter will be your total glass height. Total. In which it will stand. It is not going to go more than that. I am telling to only for Krishan. Others have drawn properly. His, it is not in proportion. That's why I am telling.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ishani, show me. Kushi, show me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Shivani. Ma'am, is this better?
Yeah, that is better.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Kushi, hold it down little bit. Down. Kushi, this part has become little bit heighted. Means what has happened at this and this part, they both have become same.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 second, just hold on, Sanskriti.
Ma'am.
This and this part has become same. If you can see just, it is of the same size. I feel from the sketch.
Ma'am.
Arish, same for you. Your burner and the glass has become of same size. Kushi and Arish, you can extend this on the top because after all, there is a window, no problem. You can extend it little bit top, just leaving a very small space on the top for the window. Got it? Don't erase now. Don't erase anything. Yes. Ishani. Ishani, this shape is not right. If you take that shape, also give a little bit circle for this. Discriminate this shape and this shape. It should have some different shape. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Give a oval shape. The oval shape, this side is on the top. It is going from the down part.
Ma'am, mine is 7.
Huh? What 7?
Ma'am, my burner is 7 centimeters.
And what is the size of your glass?
Ma'am, I am checking.
Now, give a oval shape.
Ma'am, 17.5.
Then it is 3 times. Almost 2.5 times, not 3 times. It should be less than 2 times.
Ma'am, it means 11.
If it is 7, then 7 2 times will be 14. Less than that, 12. I told you, na, if this is 8, then this will be 12.
Ma'am,
If
mine
this
is
is
7.
So 7, then take it 11.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, if you look at the burner, there's some design.
Yes. Okay. I can see the knob of the lantern that is here on the center. I'm just making one oval and make a standing line because the knob will be on the. I'll just show you what I mean.
Ma'am, my light went again, so did we do anything?
I didn't do recording today. Let it be now. Now it's of no use making record. Nothing. I just the knob.
Ma'am, which
This one. The burner has a knob na, to make the twig. This key is for holding the glass, and the burner will have the twig to be adjusted. How much out the light is coming with the twig. This is so. If you want to make it big, to make the more brighter, you'll make more length of the twig more. Or if you want to make it very dim, you will adjust it. That is there with the help of this knob. Here the knob is there. So that I have drawn. What I have done, nothing in between this space. I first made one oval shape and just drawn a standing line as if it is the top of that triangular part. I'll just zoom it. I'll show you. Very small line.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, can you tell me what are you making?
I made the knob for the twig to adjust the twig size. That is here, which is oval. And oval will not be on, it is on the burner. So for that, just one small standing line both the sides. So that it gives a 3D effect. Can you see?
Ma'am, I have to leave.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have to leave because I have another class.
Okay, before leaving, we'll just make the window. Remaining designing, we'll do it. Window is just the center. I'm making roughly, yeah? It is not the same. The window will be opening from the center, so I can see the center one here, which has both the side rim. Below this, there is a rim. This side, and this side I'm just going to make it up to the lantern, because here the curtain is there. Only we will be able to see the windows. This is the main rim. Then there is a small rim that is the between the glass. That is very thin line. So I'm just making a thin line here. And same, I'm just going to shift little bit from the lantern so that it will be able to make it properly. The thin lines.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, what are you making?
Window.
Okay. Ma'am, the lines that you draw on the glass are a part of the window.
Are the part of the window. This one.
Okay.
These are the part of the window. Okay. Now there is a partition. Total 1 and 2 is there. So I'll see the proportion, because down also this is only the rim.
Ma'am, is this a guideline or is this the window?
It's a window. This is the rim. On top of that will be the This is the window separation. So from here, you're not going to consider this, because this is the center part. So 1. Same will be here. Behind the glass, it will be very light, but I'm going to make it. And 1 on the top, about